Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to make a smoothie using banana, some pineapple, and some blueberries. I also have some coconut water, and let's get started. Hello friends, so we're going to get started on our smoothie. Miss Amy's going to make some smoothies too. I'm using pineapple, blueberries, and a banana. I'm going to put it in my blender. You can use water, you can use milk, or maybe some apple juice. Have mommy, daddy help you out, or an adult. I'm going to open up some coconut water, if you can see that. I'm going to pour it in, about that much. Then I'm going to get my lid. Now I'm going to blend it. Let's see how it tastes. Got a cup. This is what it looks like. Mmm, delicious. Hope you guys have fun. See you later.